Hi everyone, I'm Claire from SEWTECH. Today I'm going to show you how to fix bird nest issue on the SEWTECH machine. If your embroidery machine is creating a thread bird nest underneath the fabric or inside the bobbin area, follow these steps to fix the issue. First, tuck the tangled thread using scissors. Remove the hoop and bobbin. Then clean the bobbin area underneath the rotary hook. First, check whether the problem occurs on specific needles or on most needles. Switch to another needles and run a test embroidery. If bird nesting only happens on specific needles, carefully check the entire threading pace of that needles and make sure the needles are threaded correctly. Then check the upper thread tension for that needle. If the tension is too loose, turn the tension knob clockwise slightly to increase the tension. If the problem occurs on most needles, continue with the following steps. Step 2. Check the bobbin installation. A wrongly installed bobbin can also cause thread bird nesting. Remove the bobbin and reinstall it in the correct direction. Make sure this bobbin case tab is aligned with the positioning slot on the rotary hook. Press the bobbin case gently until you hear a click sound. This confirms that the bobbin case is installed correctly. Hold the bobbin case by the thread and let it hang. If the thread pulls out too easily, the bobbin tension may be too loose. To adjust the tension, use a screwdriver to turn the larger tension screw clockwise to tighten it. Make only a small adjustment, about 1/10 to 1/8 of a turn at a time. Then test the tension again. With the correct tension, gently flick your wrist. The bobbin case should slide down smoothly about 3 to 5 cm or 1 to 2 inches, then stop by itself. Once the tension is correct, wrap the thread around the small spring and reinstall the bobbin case. Lint, dust, and loose thread pieces under the needle plate can also cause thread bird nesting. Use the Z-shaped wrench to loosen the screws and remove the needle plate. Clean the area thoroughly with a brush. Then reinstall the needle plate and tighten the screws securely. Finally, check that the fabric is hooped tightly. Loose fabric can move during embroidery and cause thread bird nesting. Make sure the fabric and stabilizer are firmly secured before you start embroidering. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share it. See you next time.